know, there are American heroes who don't like this idea. Neil Armstrong, Gene Cernan have both testified against commercial spaceflight in the way that you're developing it, and I wonder what you think of that.
I was very sad to see that. Those guys are heroes of mine, so it's really tough.
And to see them casting stones in your direction.
It's difficult.
Did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
You feel like it? You're trying to catch it. Yeah.
But
When critics say you can't do this, your answer to them is,
we've done it.